Ready for occupancy, low cash out, and accessible? Yan ba ang hanap mo sa isang house and lot property this 2025? Well, today we're here in Penthouse Jubilation Binyan to feature the ready for occupancy house and lot units na for as low as 75,000 pesos, makaka-move-in ka na. Kaya tara, simulan na natin ang ating house tour. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. Before we proceed with our house tour, bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 reasons why you should get a unit here in Penthouse Jubilation Binyan. Number 3, accessibility. This property is highly accessible through the South Luzon Expressway via the Mamplasan exit and napakalapit lang po niya sa Cavite-Laguna Expressway, which makes it accessible going to Tagaytay and New Valley. Malapit din po siya sa mga malls, hospitals, and schools. Number 2, ready for occupancy. If you have been looking for a house and lot property na lilipatan ng papino nyo this 2025, well, ito na po yung hinahanap nyo. 3-story po siya na townhouse na napakaluwag, kaya siya po ang 2 kotse din. Perfect na perfect po sa isang malaking pamilya. Lastly, our number 1 reason why you should choose Penthouse in Jubilation Binyan is yung low cash out niya. If you have been looking for a ready for occupancy house and lot at alam nyo na ngayon na 20% or 30% spot down payment lang kailangan, dito po sa Penthouse, for as low as 75,000 pesos, makakalipat ka na. Kaya po, inquire na kayo. For the house specifications of this property, this sits in a lot area of 60 square meters and a floor area of 90 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms but still expansible to 4 bedrooms. You have 2 toilet and bath and your carport can fit 1 to 2 cars. And you also have a service area sa likod. So tara, pasokin na natin itong bahay na to. As you can see, pagpasok po natin, this is your 2 carport. Kasya po yung 2 sasakyan natin. Please take note that when you purchase here, since RFO po siya, pwede po natin puntahan yung actual unit at silipin po natin yung labas. Now, by request po, if gusto nyo pong silipin yung loob. Now, as you enter, meron na po siyang cement pero wala lang po siyang tiles upon turnover, and then kasya po yung 2 nating sasakyan. And ang pagpasok po natin, since townhouse po to, so ang space natin sa unahan at sa likod. So, our door, our entry door is steel door. And then as we enter the property, makikita nyo, pagpasok po natin, this is already modified. Pero ipa-flash po namin sa screen kung ano po magiging itsura ng actual turnover. Sa actual turnover, meron po siyang space for your laundry. Tapos pwede nyo po siyang i-convert to become your bedroom dito sa baba, depende po sa inyo. So, dito po sa baba, ang ginawa po nila, kinonvert nila sa isang bedroom. So, kasya po ang ating isang single bed. For some of our clients na bumili po dito, gagawin po nilang office to. So, this is perfect para po doon sa mga work from home po nating clients, mga virtual assistants. Pwede po siya. You can have an office here downstairs, so at least meron kang peace and quiet when you work. Especially pag work from home, syempre pag may mga bata, medyo maingay at magulo. Now here, meron po tayong punto dito. This is leading to our service area. So since townhouse po siya, ang space po ng bahay natin is sa harap at sa likod. So at least meron pa tayong extra space dito sa likod to work on, or pwede pa natin siya dagdagan. Kaya pwede pong gawing bodega or pwede po siyang gawing outdoor laundry, or pwede rin po kayo magluto dito sa labas. So tara, akyat tayo sa second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Kitang-kita nyo naman po ang ganda ng pagkaka-interior. Actually, one of the units here sa model unit are for sale. So, pag-inquire na lang po kayo sa amin kung magkano po siya. So, dito po sa second floor, this is your suggested living area. Pero again, this is a big house, 90 square meters. So, kayo pong bahala kung anong gagawin nyo. Ang maganda lang po dito sa second floor, dito po sa ating living area or suggested living area, meron na po tayong maliit na balcony lang wherein pwede po nyong buksan so that you can feel or pwede pong pumasok yung natural air. And also, one thing that you notice, kahit po may mga mga curtains yung ating mga windows, kitang-kita niyo po napakaraming bintana niyan. Now, dito naman sa kabilang side natin will be your kitchen. Para po sa kusina natin, we don't have overhead cabinets. Meron lang po tayong cabinet dito, isa po siyang habalang. Okay? Yun po yung actual turnover na. And then right beside our kitchen will be our dining area. But again, once you move in dito po sa penthouse at Jubilation, kayo na pong bahala kung paano nyo po siya i-modify. Now, dito rin po sa second floor, we have a toilet and bath. This is the first toilet and bath dito sa second floor. This is actually, again, model unit po to. I-flash na lang po namin sa screen ano magiging itsura po ng mga ating turnover unit. Pero meron po siyang sink, meron din po siyang toilet, then meron na po tayong shower na kasama. So tapos na tayo second floor, akyat tayo sa third floor. Welcome to the top floor or the third floor. Dito po, kapag actual turnover, 3 bedrooms, tapos may isang toilet and bath. Beginning po dito sa ating kanan, the first bedroom of the third floor is maganda po siya at spacious. Meron din po siyang sariling bintana and napakaluwag. Kasya po ang ating single or semi-double bed. Kaya yung katabi naman po niya is the toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Just good size lang po siya. Perfect na perfect po sa inyo. Tamang-tama. Again, sa actual turnover, if a-flash po natin, meron po siyang sink, meron po siyang toilet, at meron na rin po siyang shower. And then, punta naman tayo sa master's bedroom. For this model unit, minodify po siya. Pinagsama yung master's, yung master's and also yung isang secondary bedroom. Kasi, maganda nga naman at maluwag. And kitang-kita nyo naman po, pinaganda po nila ng todo yung ating master's bedroom dito sa top floor or sa third floor. And dito rin po sa master's bedroom, meron tayong sariling balcony na maliit lang na enough para pumasok yung hangin and also yung light natin dito sa third floor. Thank you very much for joining us in this house tour. If you would like to see this property in the actual and you would like to go on an online presentation, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandiyan na aming Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. You can also email us, or if you just like to go on and check out our listings, yung mga properties na binibenta natin or yung mga bagong properties na ipopost natin sa ating YouTube channel, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box and comment section. You can also go on our social media pages. We have our Facebook, Instagram, and also we have a TikTok account and LinkedIn account.